Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me going to get lip filler for the first time. So as we age, our lips start to lose volume rather quickly, and it's due to dehydration and simply just getting older. So I actually like the shape of my lips. It's that I notice my upper lip is really starting to lose volume rather quickly. And I don't know if it picks up on camera, but my one side of my lip is actually losing volume quicker than this side of my lip. So it's actually uneven. So when I do my makeup, I do have to overdraw more so on this side just to make them look a little more even. So today I'm gonna go to Lucere, who did my under eye filler, and we're gonna see if we can get a little lip filler to help even some of that out. In preparation for today, I did take some arnica, which is a supplement that you can get at any health food store. It helps with bruising and swelling. And I'm also drinking about 8 ounces of pineapple juice, which will also help with the bruising and swelling. So if you want to see what it looks like to get lip filler, please keep on watching. I just had my consultation with Holly. I think we're going to do 1 syringe of Juvederm for my upper lip, but I did want to say that the place that I'm going to, Lucere, is a dermatology clinic run by a dermatologist, and everyone that does injections are nurses with quite a few years of experience. So I'm perfectly comfortable and confident with the results I'm going to get with Holly. I know she's going to give me great results. I'm just nervous about the pain, so that's my only anxiety. So Holly just put the numbing cream on everywhere she's going to put an injection, and it should sit on for about 10 minutes or so. I am going to put a timestamp in, so in case you don't want to see the injections, you can just fast forward. I just finished getting my lips done. I'm actually outside in the parking lot. I'll show you guys what they look like. So we added filler up here to sort of increase my cupid's bow a little bit. You can see it sort of jets out a little bit. And Holly was really great at evening out my sides, because this side comes down shorter than the other side. And then we added a little bit on the bottom just to make the lip look a little fuller. Now, obviously they're swollen right now. The numbing cream is still in there. So yeah, they feel kind of weird. They're all kind of tingly. I do have an ice pack from Lucere to put on it. It really didn't hurt. A couple of spots you can kind of feel the injection going in, but it's really not that bad. In my mind, it was going to be super painful because it is your lip area and it's all these little nerve endings around your lips. But really, their numbing cream, fantastic. And Juvederm itself does have lidocaine in it. So as they inject the product, it also freezes. Holly's really good at starting in one area, putting some product in, and then allowing that lidocaine to help numb the inside. And she'll move on. So then when she comes back the second time, if she has to add any, your lip is completely frozen. So honestly, no pain at all. I'm quite impressed because I was super nervous about getting my lips done. I'm really a big chicken when it comes to pain on my face because my skin is so sensitive. I would totally recommend to anybody, come down to Lucere, have Holly do your injections. Trust me, it isn't as painful as you think it's going to be. That numbing cream is awesome. So Holly did say today it'll still be swollen, tomorrow. By day 3, the swelling is going to come down and I can start massaging my lips. And probably by about day 7, they're going to look pretty darn good. She said by week 2, they're going to look perfect. If I need to come back, I can to do a little extra, but they don't look super big, even though it is swollen, obviously, because I had injections. But to me, they just look like my lips, only better. I kind of feel like it improved my smile a little bit. Like even at resting RBF face, it still looks really good. So my next check-in with you guys is going to be tomorrow, day 2. We'll see how they're healing. We'll see how the swelling, if it's coming down or getting any worse. And then I can see if any bruising is going to start. I will see you guys day 2. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2, and I thought I'd show you what my lips look like. So obviously, they're pretty swollen. My bottom one more so than my top. They feel a little tight. It's kind of like a balloon has been overinflated, and you can see I've got a little bit of a bruise starting there, but nothing really too bad. And where the injection site here is where that little bruise is, doesn't hurt at all. Like I can totally, you know, touch my lips. It's not painful. It's just a little tight, I'm gonna say. It's almost like a little bee sting off your lips, but still pretty good. I really do like it. Again, it's gonna come down. I'm sure some of you are watching going, whoa, that's a lot. They're just swollen. Once the swelling comes down, I think we'll have a better idea of what it's actually going to look like. So my next check-in with you guys, I think will be about day 5 or so, and we'll see if the swelling is starting to come down. Guys, so it is day 4, day 5. I thought I'd show you guys what my lips look like. This is no lipstick. I did put some lip balm on because my lips are super dry. I do have a tiny bit of a bruise still. But again, nothing major. It's not going to stop me from going out. And I'm actually getting ready to go out with my girlfriends. We're going to go for dinner. So I'll actually see what they say. I didn't tell anybody I was getting it done. So we'll see if they say anything at dinner. I really like the upper lip. I like how it's filled out because my upper lip was super tiny. Now, obviously, they're still a little bit swollen. I'm not so sure. My bottom lip, I feel like, looks really big. But maybe that's just I'm not used to having so much more projection in my lips, because you can see like from that angle that my lips have more projection forward. Same with the bottom. Now see, when I look at it here, I think it looks really nice. It might just take me a little bit to get used to the fact that they're more full, but I can do that and it doesn't hurt. Most of the bump has gone down. There's a little bit of a bump there, but that's where the filler is. And again, that's going to go down over time. But my lips do not hurt. I'll do a check-in around day 7, day 8, and then we can see sort of what the final look is. So it is week 3, my lips have finally healed, and this is what they look like. I got 1 syringe of Juvederm injected into my lips, split between the upper and the lower lip. And at the medical spa that I went to, 1 syringe of Juvederm is $700 Canadian. My upper lip healed quicker than my lower lip. My lower lip was a little more swollen. The little bruise that I had right there probably officially disappeared around day 10. It didn't bother me though. I still went out and I only put clear lip gloss on when I went out. My upper lip really was starting to disappear, and my lips were getting so dehydrated that, not that they have wrinkles, but it's sort of, your lip skin sort of puckers a little bit, I guess. With injecting the Juvederm in them, it's actually smoothed that out. So I don't have as many puckerings there. And when I applied lip gloss or lip balm, it just went on more smooth and more even. I totally love the shape of my lips. I love that they look more smooth, more even, and my upper lip has a little bit more definition, and you can see I have a little bit more of a border there. And my bottom lip just looks a little more full. It's still my shape, it's still my lips. They just look a little more smooth and a little more enhanced, which is what I think the purpose of filler was meant to be. It's not really supposed to change how you look. It's just supposed to enhance those features that, you know, over time start to decrease or start to diminish a little bit. And that's what I like about the filler. I'm super happy that I got it done. I'm very happy with the results. I don't feel like I look made up or my lips are too big for my face. I feel like they just look a little more youthful and a little more enhanced. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.